Salisbury ng Chef Warren Up and Smoke Lounge. Eh, no? Meat kong meat, oh. Oh. Walang extender yan. Tikman natin para mapatunayan. Ha? Wow. Solid. Kapal, oh. Gaano kakapal? Ayun, oh. Gaano kalaki? Gaano kakapal? Ito yan. Ito yan dyan. Oh. Sarap. Tingnan natin yung Hungarian. Naku po, firm na firm yung Hungarian, oh. Feel na feel ko, oh. Diba? Ito yung Hungarian. Tingnan natin without any sauce. Walang gravy, walang hot sauce. Hungarian lang, yung plain lang. Tiki man time. Masarap, solid. Firm na firm yung laman. Please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, Noel Noel Vlogs for the Travel. And of course, sa kabuuan ng video na ito, panoorin nyo sa aking YouTube channel. Ito yung Facebook page ng Chef Warren Up and Smoke Lounge.